What? We lost it. There it is. Okay, go for it. Slowly. Remember, someone they're looking at every inch of this.
Slower?
Yeah, that's it. Hold it, stop. Come back.
That right there?
Yeah, you got a big piece, looks like cast iron right there. 9'6", see it? Right side.
Right there.
Yep, it's either cast or something. Looks like cast.
Pull back. What? I'm not.
Okay, stop.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
See, you're going into a Y, right?
Okay.
Turn right here.
Oh, so we're going in. Is that the Y?
Could be. And there's a cast piece that comes across right here, where it could be cast or it could be clay. I don't know which. I think it's cast.
Would you try to push that?
Well, bump it and see what happens. May not go nowhere. I didn't. No, you just went around it. Okay, keep going. Let's see what happens when you go around it.
Oh, okay.
I don't think it's going anywhere. It's a turn.
So that was probably the Y, you think?
We'll go ahead farther and find out. We're at 11.9 right now. There's some torque there.
That looks like trouble there, huh?
Yeah. Well, that's big clumps of toilet paper. Okay, go ahead and go past all that.
Try to get it.
Is that 18?
Mm-hmm.
We're probably...
Still in cast iron.
Huh?
We're still in cast iron.
Yeah, we're probably getting close. I think.
Maybe some ABS coming up. Yeah, there's your gravel. Sand right there, a lot of dirt.
So that's close to the exit.
There is your
right
something right there. Keep going. It's not. It must be in my lens. I had one other thought. Okay, come on. What the heck's that? Go ahead, a little more. Oh, that's just where they tie it on the next line. Never mind.
Yeah.
Go through it?
No, come on back.
No, that's all new from there.
Yeah. So, or is that your tie-in? You tie in right there, that new piece, did you?
What? Help me with what you're saying.
Well, when you tied into here.
We didn't. You went around the Y, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you must have went around the corner.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm assuming that we did this route right here.
Wipe it off.
Yeah.
Alright.
Whatever this goes. There.
Okay. One thing I can try. I'm trying to set. One thing I can try is to go up, have a look at my dash like that. Set the spiders. And if they got me put it on my tape, that far apart. So I actually push maybe a piece out. But if it moved, it was great. But I don't think you're going to get that with the jetter. That's the problem. Not if that's like this.
Hey, want me to take this to the next room?
The only other thing we could
Are we going to the other room with this?
No,
or going outside?
not right now. But
Okay.
also, let me stop this.
Alright. In a moment.
we can